Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing good. In this video I'll show you how to fix ear calling speaker not working problem in Xiaomi 17T. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.